Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today will be the quickest, I think, unboxing of my boots. I'm so sorry I opened them because I was so excited when I get the parcel. Let me show you them. No, they are not Saint Laurent. They are not Saint Laurent boots, but maybe they are even better than the Saint Laurent. So we will open this box. They are very unique boots that are not available anymore anywhere. You can find them from the pre-loved shops and websites when you can find pre-loved things. Oh. Look at these boots. Oh my god. They are incredible. And I cannot wait for the day where I will make a vlog in them. They've got a gold sole. And they are, I will surprise you, H&M. Look at the zip on the back. They are size 39, but I found also 38. They are brand new. Actually, they are not brand new because a lady probably she lied about this. But anyway, they have very good pre-loved condition. They are real leather. A&R with the H&M. As you can see, they've got a little platform. They have pointy toe and a nice heel, which will be very high, but also very stable. And because this platform is gonna be very easy to walk in them, probably. I love the zip with the nice angle on the top. And look at the zip. It is so good. These boots looks so luxury. And I pay for them only 250 or 270 zloty. It's gonna be like 70 euro, maybe 60. Really cheap. They look incredible. I can't wait to put them on. So today I'm wearing my Belmont boots with the beautiful buttons on. Also gold with the gold heel, but I think these boots will be really great with jeans and leather trousers. Maybe different color. I have to style these boots with the next video, or maybe I will make a long video, but on the next day. I will do more outfits. This bag I think looks really good with this outfit. Just dark denim, white body top from Zara, blazer from Zara, and shorts they are from the H&M. So a very easy outfit that you can create with any boots, any heels, any sneakers you will wear, actually everything. Of course, boots you will see on the side. I have to say, I love these boots. They are incredible. Leather, it is the softest. I think it is very high quality, nice stretch Napa boots. And I love these boots. They must be very expensive when they've been released from H&M at the time. So I fall in love because they have zip on the back, they have the gold sole, a little platform that will be very easy to walk over the cobblestones. And I have to say that I'm so happy about these boots because they are very unique, and I know that they are not available like everybody can have these boots. So I'm really like so happy, and it is like my little birthday gift from me to me, and I am so happy because I found this very cheap. And it is always like questions that how much money I'm spending for boots. I'm really looking for really often pre-loved boots and dresses and things like that. You need a little time to find something perfect. First boots I found in the size 37, so I start searching more and more, and sometimes it is really hard to find it because people will name these boots like just leather boots and this is it. So you have to looking for these boots sometimes really hard, but I feel like I'm very lucky about this. So like my old Moda Impala boots, almost all of them I found on eBay and really cheap. So I am like super happy about my whole collection because I didn't spend so much on it because it is always like a great offer. And sometimes with these people, you can make an offer. So even the price will be lower. And really, if someone wants to sell something, usually they will agree for your offer. So I'm so lucky and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. And if I will make more outfits with these boots, I will continue this video. I would like to try my new boots with this outfit because I love to combine two colors sometimes and only two colors. So this is the leather top with the high neck and the leather crop top over. Then we've got a black belt from Katie. I love this belt really, and this is from Ochnik. And the top, it is from the H&M. You can come back to my very first video with the H&M haul to just check this top. This top, as you can see, it is still really good and it is not real leather. I've got also a real leather one made by me, designed by me, but made by the factory that I've been working with. And yeah, and the new boots. So I think that these new boots, they look wonderful. I really love the fact that they are very, very, very comfy and I can walk in them very easy. And what I love most about the boots, it is the same about Moda Impala, Casadei and many more. I love when we have the front a bit higher. That always slim your leg a bit. I don't really like boots that are just straight cut. It all depends from the style, of course, but it is my favorite style of the boots when they have cut this way on the top. I really, really love it. Also, I made one outfit with these boots with the denim shorts. I wore just the white top from Zara, denim shorts from H&M and the blazer a bit shorter from Zara too. And I think that this outfit with the boots looks also really good. I think that these boots will match to many outfits, but I don't think so that these boots will be good with any pencil skirts, any dress in the pencil skirt style. Not really like this. Another outfit you will see on the side, because I think that also with the long skirt but with the slit we can create a wonderful outfit. With my green faux leather skirt from Zadar, I really love this outfit and I think that green looks incredible with the white just regular shirt and maybe just a necklace, can be a shorter necklace, longer necklace, can be a white handbag, which I think will be more elegant outfit with the white handbag, but I would like to wear my very nice green Jacques Muse bag, which I love. Actually, I can't put much inside because it is not very roomy, but it is small, cute and very summer. So I love this bag a lot and I love this outfit too. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye!